Hey there, this is Gia. Before we start building our record trigger flow, we're going to create three sample opportunity records, and we're going to make sure that we have products associated with them. For our case to be created and to be assigned to the appropriate queue, we need, when opportunity is close one, to have one of the three products associated with it: installation high, medium, and low. And via products, we can relate it up. We can add products. And here actually is the list of our products. And again, for the business use case, we need the case to be only created when there is a product associated with it with installation status of high, medium, and low. Next, we're going to move to our flow, and we're going to start with configuring our first element, the start element. It will be on the opportunity object when the record is updated, and we would like to, one second here, we would like a case to be created only when the stage name is closed one. Next, we're going to use the get record element to get our opportunity products from the opportunity record. Here, the object is the opportunity product with the field is opportunity ID, the product opportunity ID equals the opportunity ID of the record that triggered the flow. And I forgot to mention that we have selected here to get all records. We select all records to be stored. Next, we need to somehow filter only the product, the opportunity products that have the status of high, medium, and low in order a case to be created. We're going to drag the collection filter element to the canvas, and here we're going to use we're going to create essentially a new collection. So we're going to filter from the original collection. We're going to use the product codes for our high, medium, and low products, which can be found here. Apologies. One second. To create a new collection from the original collection that is already filtered, we're going to use the product code field, and the value we get from the list here. Here is the product code for high, medium, and low. The name of our collection filter is simply the filter OLIs, opportunity line items. Next, we're going to add a loop element to essentially loop between the filter opportunity line items. So here is the opportunity line items, and it's going to create basically a priority, a case based on the priorities, high, medium, and low. So the loop element will loop through the high, medium, and low cases.